Hey everybody, I'm Andres. Look like shit right now, but here in North Oak here. Very great place. I just got my earlier this can I flip the camera? Let me see if I can. I guess not, but sorry, I just got my PRP deep stabilizers. Shit was brutal. Did the Galen earlier, that shit was brutal too. Blood work was brutal. I don't like taking out blood, but you know, had to do what you gotta do. But this is the area, pretty badass. Handson is amazing, great guy. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing, here's his, I don't know if you can see that. Oh crap. His whole situation. But yeah, I am like, my head is like super stiff, or my neck, and yeah, it's snowing outside. I don't know why I can't flip the camera, but if you guys can see, there's snow. It's pretty cool thing going on. But yeah, I'm Andres. Again, look like shit, been feeling like shit for a while, so you know, not here to dress to impress, just here to get better. But yeah, I am gonna keep everybody in the loop, let everybody know my experience. Gonna do more videos. I was gonna do like a whole vlog, guys, and everything, but I was like feeling like shit on the plane ride, and then that delay because it was like so much snow. So we stopped in South Dakota, and then having to wait for like an hour, like the whole thing was hell. So, and then I was having issues, so I just didn't want to like do all these things where it was just too much. But basically, this is what's going on. We're here, we made it, got through the first stage. Brutal, but I'll tell you right now, I feel different. I feel pretty good. I don't know, I feel different. But we'll see in time. I know things take about 6 months, and I still have a whole nother set to go, and then all the other protocols. But met Handson, probably gonna take a picture with the guy. Super cool dude. If you're gonna learn, if you plan to get into stem cells, which I plan to, I want to become a doctor. Only thing is, it sucks that you have to do all this fucking schooling. It's retarded. Like, I believe you learn by experience, and you know, I've talked to so many doctors, and most of them are just bookworms. And you know, I brought up CCI to all these surgeons, or you know, other doctors, stem cell doctors in Cali, and no, it was fucking clueless. So, but yeah, that's like for a whole nother rant. But yeah, what this guy does, and super cool. I'm gonna take a picture with him later, post that up. But yeah, super cool dude. Love his energy. Yeah, he's very different, very different. Love his way of thinking. I'm more of a Roman. I want to expand what he does, and I would love to expand what he does. And people need to, this all right here needs to be in California, Washington, New York, Florida, and Colorado. And Colorado should be the headquarters, so it could be convenient. You know, I want like everything to be in one place, convenience. And yes, you know, you would need investors from the Valley, Silicon Valley, or Austin, Texas, another startup hub. Just so many things. And you know, I was talking to Handson about that. I'm very entrepreneurial myself. I used to work for a startup based out in Pittsburgh, a social network, kind of like Facebook. Well, very similar to Facebook, Web3, decentralized network. But yeah, got sick, and then yeah, my whole fucking life changed. But yeah, I was very big into startup scene, Silicon Valley, marketing, and fucking venture capital and all that. But after I got sick, I realized that there's a really strong niche for this. And yeah, there's a lot of people like on the CCI groups that need help. A lot of people you know, going to like Hauser, going to fucking Centeno, which I understand everybody has their own, you know, preferences, but for me, Handson just made sense with everything. Like, I'm a very logical guy. Like, I look at things and I'm like, okay, what makes sense? How does this work? You know, like everything that he says, like it just, like in my brain, it makes fucking sense. And so far, I'm having a good experience. I'm not injured or anything. That was one of my biggest fears. Not injured, I'm not hurt, I'm not anything. I'm still functional, so I'm happy about that. We still got other stuff that we need to do, but so far I'm very, very impressed. And like I said, I have that Roman mindset. I want to expand, and I want to expand this. This should be expanded. And I was telling Hanson that, he's like, well, funding. I was like, well, let's head to the Silicon Valley. Let's head to these investors. We expand this, because this is incredible. Very, very awesome place. So very, very happy, and I'm very, very happy to share my journey with everybody. Anyways, guys, again, my name's Jesus Andres Avelar, or you know, I go by my middle name, Andres. And yeah, anyways, guys, thank you, and I'll keep you guys posted.